welcome to Iceland. We're so excited to be here. Took us 3 long flights from Sydney, 20 plus hours, but we're super excited to finally land and explore. When planning this road trip and itinerary, focus on items that were less touristy and would avoid the crowds. So if you want to know how to avoid the crowds in Iceland, keep watching. Snowmobiling. We're going to snowmobile on a glacier. It's going to be really cool. We're going to see some ice caves. We're going to kayak with the glaciers and icebergs. Got some really cool off-road locations to explore. Let's get it going.
This is day 1 of our trip and we're already buzzing with excitement. After meeting some friends, our first stop was Thor's Valley.
That looks hectic.
Sure, I can do that. Yeah, sure. That sounds manageable. Thor's Valley. I always wanted to visit here. Always been on the bucket list. Finally got it. I can't wait to show you guys the footage.
Did you see Thor?
We did not see Thor, unfortunately. Yeah, no, it was honestly amazing. Like the views from up top here are incredible. The rivers, the greens, yeah, no, it's so nice.
After a long day of exploring, we headed back to rest because tomorrow we're doing an activity I've been looking forward to the entire trip. We're going to be snowmobiling on a glacier.
So cool. All geared up. Literally snow and ice as far as the eye can see. It's incredible. Can you see it?
That's so fun.
It was so fun. Went on for around half an hour on the snowmobile and it was so fun. So many turns, so many ice.
Time to
Really
switch
cool.
now.
Time to switch. Let's see Sarah drive. Let's see how she goes.
It's day 3 and we're off to one of my favourite places in Iceland. Colourful mountains, hot springs and views that feel like another planet.
Landmannalaugar.
Yeah, that's where we're going today.
Landmannalaugar.
It's only an hour drive and look what Matt brought.
Wake me up. Wake me up when we get there.
Time to leave the warmth of our car.
Yeah, it's incredible up here at the moment. The wind's died down. There's 360 panoramic views. This is the trail we're walking behind us. This is the other side. It's incredible. Let's go see what shots we can get. After exploring the region, we set off in the Arvo to visit one of the most beautiful waterfalls. It's only a short drive and the chances are you'll have it all to yourself.
Hello.
Really good weather today. It's been a miserable past few days. Wind, cold, rain, but today is really good.
So, what are we doing?
Really chill day today. We're going to visit a lot of waterfalls, a plane crash site potentially, black sand beaches, and my personal favourites, an ice cave tour at night. I'm really looking forward to that. That should be fun.
It's good weather, which means there's blue skies.
Yeah, Airbnb host was like to us today, yeah, really good weather today. We looked up, we saw one patch of blue sky, but that's really good weather in Iceland apparently.
The wind.
Yeah, it's a win here, but it's amazing today. It's going to be really chill. Let's go and take a look.
After the waterfalls, we headed for the infamous plane wreck site. So this plane crashed in the middle of nowhere, but somehow, everyone survived, and that's not even the craziest part. The story behind this is so intriguing because the US military just left it there, and this has led to many conspiracy theories such as a covert mission gone wrong, or even a UFO cover-up. Real or not, this is one of Iceland's best landmarks and a must visit.
My helmet's on, ready to go.
The right one is tangled, that's why. That's so cool. So blue. You can see all the bubbles.
Wow, it's so cold, it's like a freezer.
It is like a freezer. You can see where the lava has mixed it with the ice, so it's a bit dark.
I'm gonna go up soon, so stay tuned.
We wanted to show you guys our favourite Airbnb. The biggest bucket list item for this trip was the Aurora Borealis, and this place was designed for it. With ceiling skylights and a remote location, we were all set. Our weather app said there was a high chance of seeing it tonight, so we patiently waited until finally, this happened.
Guys, it is 12 a.m. We are here hunting the northern lights and it just exploded in front of us. Honestly, no filter required, just look at it. Greens everywhere, it is so surreal. This is the reason why we came to Iceland. We've always wanted to see this, and man, it is absolutely so beautiful in person.
After such an amazing night, we were pumped for our next adventure at a place that had great historical significance.
Welcome to Laki Crater. This place is absolutely surreal. It's like stepping into another planet. Ground Zero, one of the craziest, I think one of the largest volcanic eruptions recorded in history. So
It went on for 80 days.
yeah, it went on for 80 days. It nearly wiped out Iceland as a nation, I heard. And it caused like a lot of issues with the air pollution and the quality of crops across Europe as well. So
And the world. Yeah, it looks like green.
so green.
Is it poisonous?
Oh,
Ah, very smooth.
oh, is it?
Wet. That. Dave is taking some drone shots. So hopefully he can get something really good to show you guys.
Welcome to day 6, where we're visiting Europe's largest glacier, which covers 8% of Iceland.
Beautiful day in Iceland today. Today we are going to be hiking on the Vatnajokull
Vatnajokull.
Glacier. It's Europe's largest glacier. I hope we pronounced that correctly. The formations there are incredible. The snow and on the glacier is so pure and white.
It's very blue as well.
Yeah,
It's
very
nice.
blue. And hopefully, fingers crossed, if the weather holds up, we get a beautiful sunset on the glacier. And this technique is called the Viking push-up. Come down to the floor. I'm gonna go 1. The detail is really cool here. It's so peaceful and quiet. Wow, honestly, breathtaking.
Worth the 5 hours.
Worth the long hike for sure, guys.
After the hike, we drove to one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. Now, coming from Australia, we're used to beaches looking like this, clear blue waters and soft yellow sand. So we were gobsmacked to find out that this beach in Iceland contains sparkling diamonds, and how they got there is absolutely mind-blowing. So this beach is famous for having big chunks of ice wash up on its shore. This crazy spectacle occurs because the beach is located next to a glacier, so when the glacial ice breaks, it gets carried to the beach by the waves. Even though the diamonds aren't real, this has to be one of my favourite places in Iceland.
Hey guys, first day in the north here in Iceland, and the weather's so much colder than down south. We're currently walking towards Studlagil Canyon, which is so beautiful. It has these clear glacial blue waters running through the middle of these basalt columns on the side. So really looking forward to that. Made it all the way to the bottom and it's so beautiful. Let's go see the shots we can get.
Our next stop is living proof how quick the weather can change in Iceland. We're driving straight into a snowstorm.
Base camp of Dettifoss. It is very wet. How powerful it is crazy. I don't know if you can see it in the video. It's so wet, you know, they're getting splashed back in the waterfall. But man, it's so raw and so powerful up close there. It's insane.
After braving the blizzard, we headed back to the hotel to recharge. The next day, we headed to a volcano trail that was formed from a single eruption. Here's everything we saw.
Hey guys, so after a long day of hiking and exploring, we decided to try out the Mývatn natural pools. Hope we pronounced that correctly. Similar to the Blue Lagoon. We heard it's much cheaper and less touristy, so we're giving that a go. We just parked here, gonna get our swimmers on, our thongs, and we'll see you inside. How do you think it compares to the Blue Lagoon though?
It's a bit smaller.
It's a bit smaller, but it's pretty quiet. Look around us, there's actually no one else here, it's just us, so it's pretty cool.
It was our final day in Iceland, and somehow it turned out to be one of the most memorable. We had to make our way back towards the airport for our flight home, but we wanted to make the most of every last moment. We spent the morning wandering through the city, soaking in the atmosphere and picking up souvenirs to take a piece of Iceland home with us. Then it was time for one last road trip. The drive was long, but the views were breathtaking. We pulled over for spontaneous pit stops, explored hidden corners, and even attempted to recreate Justin Bieber's iconic leg tap. As the hours passed, we found ourselves reflecting on everything. The adventures, the quiet moments, and how this trip brought us closer together.